So I just want to do a little video and talk quickly about Tino because he has completely saved me and my technology issues time and time again, and always with a smile on his face. Obviously I travel a lot and I always have my phone with me or my computer, which means a lot of some of my favorite memories and moments are stored on there, and there's been so many instances where I've walked in and my phone has been completely in pieces and I've handed it over, or it's just crashed altogether, and somehow he always saves it and always gets it for me, and he's just been a wonderful friend, and it's so lovely to have someone who cares so much about whatever you walk in with, but also who's a wonderful human being who always just makes you feel calm and good and safe. And yeah, I could not recommend Tino more. He was recommended to me from a friend. I'm so grateful that she did. And so I just wanted to recommend him to all of you. So thank you so much, Tino, for all that you've done. Happy to know you, and glad you're out there saving all of us when it comes to our phones and our computers and what have you. But lots of love. Bye.